Welcome to Farm Focus. In this video, we'll walk you through the improvements to the tax invoice and credit notes. These improvements are what you, the customer, has requested. You can further customize your tax invoice. Go onto Needs Action screen, Tax Invoice, and click on the Settings cog. These are the fields you can customize in your invoice. The farm business email, phone, and New Zealand business number are new. You can now create a tax invoice for livestock on a per dollar per head basis. Add a stock code, and now you get the option to calculate line amount by dollars per head, and over here you add the dollars per head. Note, we also have a reference field. This can be customized for each tax invoice and can be anything you like. Common usage includes customer number or order number. Let's walk through the process of creating a credit note in Farm Focus. First, go to your Needs Action screen, Tax Invoices, and find the corresponding tax invoice the credit note relates to and click into it. Under More Options, select Copy as Credit Note. A credit note will appear that has the exact same information as the tax invoice. In this example, you agreed to sell 100 bales of hay to your neighbour and you have sent an invoice, but you only provided 80 bales. So let's create a credit note for the 20 outstanding bales. Make the appropriate changes. In this instance, the credit note needs to be made for 20 bales. We recommend including an explanation around the circumstances for the requirement of the credit note. Then check the information is correct and then preview and generate the credit note. The credit note is clearly marked. Check the information is correct. Note the invoice number, which the credit note relates to, is documented. This is an IRD requirement. If the email address of the supplier is in your contacts, the credit note will be automatically emailed to that supplier. Once you're happy with the content of the credit note, click Generate and Send. Information in the credit note cannot be changed after it has been generated. Once generated, a copy of the credit note will sit in the Needs Action screen. It is clearly identifiable by the letters CN. Tax invoices have the letters INV. A copy of the credit note will also sit in your tax invoices, again clearly identifiable by the letters CN. You can now match this to the relevant transaction along with the initial invoice. For more information, make sure you check out our Help Centre. There is a specific resource on these changes, and the URL for those resources is shown here. Or you can use our chat bubble or talk to our support team. Thank you.